Today, I'm taking you on a tour of a 2-bed, 2.5-bath, waterfront penthouse at the Harbor Towers in Boston, Massachusetts. This luxury condo has stunning views of Boston and features 1,635 square feet of spacious living areas, an open kitchen, and a private balcony. As you can see, this home is absolutely flooded with natural light and has some of the best views of the city, harbor, and beyond. I'm going to walk you through this unit, discussing features, finishes, amenities, and more. As always, if you'd like to come tour this home in person or have questions about Boston real estate, you can contact me anytime. My information is here on screen and in the description below. This unit has north and west exposures with sights from the west, including the downtown Boston and Financial District skyline, along with parts of the Back Bay and the Charles River. Of course, you can also see the surrounding waterfront neighborhood and the Rose Kennedy Greenway, which is directly outside the building. This is a unique offering in that you cannot find homes with views like these at this price point. Of course, units in buildings such as Winthrop Center, Millennium Tower, and the Ritz-Carlton deliver great views. However, you cannot be at this height with views and exposures like this in these buildings for under $3 million. This home was recently gut renovated by an experienced, well-known local developer who does projects similar to this in the city and single-family homes in the suburbs. This is also the only unit in the building, 65 East India Row, which has been updated with the world-class design and quality that you see. No cost was spared in the construction of this remodel, completed with the finest materials in an impressive high-end appliance package. The kitchen is open concept with a breakfast bar and island, marble counters, and matching backsplash. The appliances are all Miele and include a 36-inch 6-burner gas range, a master cool built-in column refrigerator and freezer set, a dishwasher, and a built-in drawer microwave. The kitchen features plenty of storage with matte black soft close cabinets, which add a nice contrast to the marble counters. There are additional cabinets under the kitchen island. A cool feature of this kitchen is the wall wine storage built in surrounding the fridge, which fits dozens of bottles. This unit is priced at $2,290,000, which is reasonable for a Boston waterfront home of this caliber. The HOA fee is $2,462 monthly, which includes heat, water, hot water, gas, sewer, master insurance, security, amenity spaces, management, and maintenance. An important thing to note is that the company that does the management here is the same one that also does the Four Seasons residences, which are the most exclusive and expensive in the city. The association has millions in reserves and constantly fixes and improves elements inside and outside the building. During the week this video was recorded, the association updated several elevators throughout the building. 65 East India Row is 400 feet tall, making it the 8th tallest residential tower in the city. This penthouse unit is on floor 41, the highest level of the building. This is the most elevated residential space on the waterfront in the city. No other building directly on the Boston waterfront is this tall. The balcony has space for 2 or 3 people and is a great area to spend time outdoors for meals, reading, or enjoying the spectacular views. This exposure is north-facing, showing the Boston Harbor, the North End, West End, parts of Cambridge, Charlestown, and beyond. You can also see the East Boston waterfront, Chelsea, and Revere to the right. The sun setting behind the Custom House is very picturesque and something you can really only see from this unit. Seated at 65 East India Row, this building was completed in 1971. Originally apartments, the homes at the Harbor Towers were converted into condos in 1981. The building was designed by I.M. Pei's architectural firm and headed by lead architect Henry Cobb, who went on to design other Boston buildings such as the John Hancock Tower and the Four Seasons One Dalton. This brutalist-style building stands out not just by its height but its design as well. A noticeable design feature are the concrete exterior balconies, which have a giant zipper-like appearance against the flat facade. 65 East India Row contains 312 residences with a total of 8 penthouse units. The last time a penthouse unit in this building, other than the one we are looking at today, sold was 2017, which makes this offering even more special. The majority of unit owners in this building are working professionals. Many people living here have owned their homes for decades, which is a testament to the quality of life in these residences. The second bedroom is very large and presents similar views seen from the balcony. This room is currently set up as a home office but could easily be reverted to a bedroom or media viewing space. A queen or king-sized bed would fit easily, leaving enough room for a desk or dresser. There are also built-in closets for additional storage space. The room has glass sliding doors to make the space feel more open. However, blinds can quickly come down to make the space feel more private if desired. In fact, all of the windows in this home have blinds, which are controlled via Google Smart Home technology. The blinds can be scheduled to come up and go down at certain times of the day, manually controlled via an app, or operated via spoken command by saying, "Hey Alexa, blinds up or down." The second full bathroom ensuite has a glass-enclosed walk-in shower with a bench, a unique sink, and a quartz surround. Some of the services here at the Harbor Towers include a 24-hour front desk concierge, 24-hour emergency maintenance, and security. Staff here are all very friendly, welcoming, and helpful, many of which have worked here for years. Looking at the amenity spaces, there is a beautifully landscaped garden in between 65 East India Row and the harbor, which is a great place to spend time outside and enjoy the water views. With the largest motor court in the city, arriving by car is incredibly quick and easy. There is a heated harborside pool with tables and grills for residents to enjoy. The lobby was just recently updated, which you'll see in the end of the video. One of the features I really like about this home is the ample amount of living area space. This home is an entertainer's dream, perfect for hosting friends and family. The foyer and entryway area is currently set up as a TV space and also has a half bathroom. The kitchen area also has plenty of room, as you saw, and could be reconfigured with a dining table as well as couches. If you like the way this home is staged, it could potentially be sold with the furnishings included. Another great feature of this home is the ample storage throughout. From the entryway all the way to the primary suite, there are built-in closets which blend right in. Right before stepping into the primary bedroom, you have a washer-dryer unit on the left, which is covered by an automatic curtain. This feature is also controlled via the Google Home system, and the washer-dryer unit is revealed using the spoken command, "Alexa Laundry," or can be operated manually. The primary suite is quite large and easily fits a queen or king-sized bed, along with chairs and a desk or dresser. You have individual heating and cooling zones as well for customized temperature comfort. Again, you have windows with automatic and voice-controlled blinds, letting in plenty of light and excellent views. Waking up every morning to the Boston sunrise in this room would be a truly special experience and an excellent way to start your morning. There is a massive walk-in closet and a bathroom with a dual vanity, glass walk-in shower, and a quartz surround. Of course, one of the most important factors of any home is the location. The Harbor Tower complex is seated right on the waterfront with a harbor walk passing right by. The Boston Harbor Walk is a public walkway that follows the edge of piers, wharves, beaches, and shoreline around Boston Harbor, which extends a distance of over 40 miles. In front of the building is the Rose Kennedy Greenway, a linear park which spans across several downtown Boston neighborhoods. It consists of landscaped gardens, plazas, fountains, art, and specialty lighting systems that stretch over 1.5 miles, with 17 acres through Chinatown, the Financial District, the waterfront, and North End. The walkway connects you to the best shopping, dining, and entertainment options in downtown and is lit up 24 hours a day to ensure safety when walking. 65 East India Row is a 10 to 15 minute walk from the Seaport District and about an 8 to 10 minute walk to the North End. The heart of the Financial District, which is Boston's office building hub, is roughly 5 minutes walking distance. Cambridge is about a 10 to 20 minute drive depending on traffic conditions. The Government Center train station is 5 minutes walking distance, which can get you to anywhere in Boston. Logan International Airport is a 15-minute drive or a 20-minute train ride away. One aspect to consider is the building style. If you don't like brutalist architecture, this will be a negative. The building is definitely older and doesn't have the newest amenity spaces that come with similar offerings in the area. The hallway style leading up to the unit is a little outdated as well. Of course, this is reflected in the pricing of the home. This unit is at $1,400 per square foot, which is a fraction of the price of offerings in newer amenity buildings. In the 02110 zip code the Harbor Towers are seated in, the average sales price per square foot of a 2-bedroom condo is $1,600 per foot, $200 more per foot than this offering. As mentioned, this is the tallest building on the Boston waterfront, and no other condo association is comparable. In this area, you have Rose Wharf, Union Wharf, and Battery Wharf, which are also all older buildings and not even close to the same height. Units in these buildings are relatively all either the same price or more expensive than this home, with what I would consider subpar views compared to the unit we are in today. On the Seaport waterfront, you have the Liberty Drive condos, Pier 4, and the St. Regis, which are all about $1,000 more per square foot. If you're looking to live in a luxury waterfront condo with great views, this offering is unmatched in price. This is the first out of 3 units the developer has renovated at the Harbor Towers. Within the next month, 2 additional units at the other tower, 85 East India Row, will be completed. These are 4 and 5 bedroom units listed at $3.65 and $3.8 million. I will definitely be back to show those to my viewers as well. The home we have looked at today, Penthouse B, would be a great option for those working in and around the city. Those working in the financial district would have the quickest commute of their life and literally just have to cross the street to get to the office. This could also be a great pick for a student attending one of Boston's institutions. Given the close proximity to Logan International Airport, this home would be fantastic for an individual that either travels a lot or lives elsewhere, maybe using this as a secondary residence during the week. Really, this unit would work well for anyone in need of a 2-bedroom home in this price range that wants to be near everything Boston has to offer. The spectacular views, paired with the state-of-the-art finishes, make this a great pick for those interested in luxury waterfront city living. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to come tour this home in person, have questions about Boston or real estate in general, you can contact me anytime. I am always happy to help and love working with people who find me through my YouTube channel. Whether you already live in Boston or are relocating here for school or work, I'm ready to assist with your unique needs and situation. Check the description to book a meeting, email, or call me, and stay tuned for more videos on Boston real estate and luxury condo buildings.